I'm going to show you how to make the Thai recipe called Seua Rong Hai, the crying tiger. It is grilled beef that is dipped in a spicy sauce made with roasted rice powder and chili. This dipping sauce makes the reputation of the dish. Here are the ingredients for 4 people. You can find this list and other recipes on my website, cookingwithmorgane.com. Start by marinating the piece of beef with 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. During the cooking, it will give it an additional flavor and form a small caramelized layer. Let it sit while preparing the other ingredients. For the dipping sauce, soak 15 grams of tamarind paste in 3 centiliters of boiling water. Roast 15 grams of sticky rice over low heat for about 6 to 7 minutes. Regularly stir. The roasted rice will give the sauce its delicious taste. Turn off the heat and continue to stir for another 20 seconds, then let cool. Knead the tamarind. Filter it to keep the juice. Mince half a shallot. Rotate the lemon by pressing. It facilitated the squeezing. Mince a few leaves of cilantro, Vietnamese cilantro, and Thai basil. If you don't have these 3 kinds of herbs, the cilantro is the main to flavor this sauce. Mince fresh chili. Here I use vegetarian chili that is not hot. You can use hot chili if you like spicy. Grind the roasted rice into powder. Now, combine all the ingredients of the sauce. In a bowl, put the tamarind juice, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 3 tablespoons of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar, the shallots, the chili, 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Combine. Add the roasted rice powder. Mix again. Finally, put the herbs. The dipping sauce is ready. Grain the piece of beef. Put 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan preheated on high heat. When the oil is hot, put the beef. The cooking time depends on the thickness and your taste. Here I want it medium raw. Grill for 2 minutes per side. Then another 1 minute per side. Let the beef rest for 5 minutes. Prepare the sticky rice to eat with it. Cut the beef into slices. The crying tiger is ready.
Bon appétit! Bon appétit! Bon appétit! J'aime bien la sauce.
This sauce is perfect for grilled beef, but it's also delicious with all kinds of green meat, fish, and shellfish. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.